Hi, I'm Jia Yang, a fourth-year engineering student majoring in financial technology. I'm also doing a second major in computer science to complement my first major in technology aspect. I'm from mainland China and took Gaokao as my college entrance examination. Since I accepted the offer of HKU FinTech, I have never regret for my choice. I believe what makes HKU stand out is the vast diversity and broad opportunities it provides. As one of the students in this new BASc FinTech program, I picked my major without much hesitation. Since FinTech greatly satisfied my curiosity about exploring in an emerging industry and integrating with existing technologies. FinTech is a very flexible and versatile major that covers disciplines in mathematics, computer science, finance, leadership, and critical thinking. Therefore, the knowledge and skill set you could learn from the course can potentially apply to any career path. Over my 3 years of study life, I joined an exchange program at Northwestern University in the US for half a year. I learned as a student at Northwestern, participated in their local community, and experienced cultural diversity through in-person involvement. I also worked as a teaching assistant in computer science courses, completed an internship in a governmental organization, accomplished 3 projects as a student research assistant under the sponsorship of the Faculty of Engineering, and collaborated as one of the founders of the HKU FinTech Association for after-school activities. My life at HKU significantly shaped me with all the precious opportunities it offered me. And I hope your HKU journey will also be an incredible ride for you.